Hello learners, welcome to our channel Bharat Skill. My name is Gurveen and I'll be teaching you English literacy. So, please like and subscribe our channel, leave your comments and queries in the comment section below and let's get started. The topic of this video is pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are those words that are used to replace naming words. हमने अपनी पिछली वीडियोस में नेमिंग वर्ड्स के बारे में करा था, तो आज प्रोनाउंस वो होते हैं जो नेमिंग वर्ड्स को रिप्लेस करते हैं. अगर हम प्रोनाउन वर्ड की तरफ देखें तो प्रो प्लस नाउन. Noun are naming words, so pronoun becomes the words that replaces the nouns. Okay, so why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid repetition. हम pronouns इसीलिए यूज करते हैं ताकि हम हर एक चीज को रिपीट ना करते रहें. हम इसका एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. Tina and Priya are school friends. Tina met Priya in the schoolyard yesterday. तो हम टीना को शायद किसी एक प्रोनाउन से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. टीना is a naming word and we can replace it with a pronoun. So what will it be? Tina and Priya are school friends. She met Priya in the schoolyard yesterday. That sounds a little better. So that's the purpose of pronouns. They make a sentence better and they make it clear what or whom are we talking about. Pronouns का यही purpose होता है, वो clear कर देते हैं हर एक बात को कि किसके बारे में या किस चीज के बारे में बात हो रही है. Let's take a few examples of pronouns. So he, she, it, they, we, us, that, this, all of these are pronouns. So the interesting thing is that there are singular and plural forms of pronoun as well. Pronouns में भी singular and plural होता है. तो अगर हम singular pronouns की तरफ देखें तो हम किसी एक बंदे के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं या किसी एक चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. And that is I, you, he, she. So all of these are singular pronouns. And plural pronouns कौन से हुए? We, us, they, these. All of these are plural pronouns. अब हम कुछ special pronouns के बारे में बात करेंगे. This and that. So this and that, both of these are singular pronouns. And इनका plural form हो जाता है these and those. So what do you think is the difference between this and that? The only difference between these two words is that this, whenever we use this, we are talking about a thing that is near us and we can point to it easily like this. And whenever we talk about that, then that thing, that object is far away from us and we have to point to it as like that. So this is the difference between this and that. हम इसका example लेते हैं. This is my phone. So this object is in my hand and it is near me. That is why I used this. And if I had to use that, that is not my phone. So that object is away from me. Hence I used that because वो दूर है. Same goes with these and those. So this का plural हो जाता है these and that का plural हो जाता है those. The same rule applies to both of them. These are the we use these to refer to the objects that are near to us, and those to refer to the objects that are away from us. Okay. So now we will do a small exercise, and I'll give you some sentences, and we will have to replace the naming word with a pronoun. Okay. So the first sentence is: I know Nancy. Nancy knows me. So Nancy is a girl, so we will use the pronoun she. So the sentence will become: I know Nancy, she knows me. Next is: the cream is on her face. So here the cream is an object that we have to replace, so we can just say it is on her face. Here we have replaced the cream with it. Next sentence is: treat others well. So if we had to use a pronoun and make the sentence better, we can use it by treat others the way you want to be treated. So we have used the pronoun you to make the sentence better. And the final sentence is a family. We can make this sentence better by using we are all one family. So we here becomes the pronoun. अब हम आते हैं similar pronouns पे. I will explain this by using an example. He, him, his. So these three pronouns are used to refer to a male person. Okay? ये तीनों pronouns हम किसी आदमी को refer करने के लिए use करते हैं. So the difference between these three words is that we use he when we are talking about a person in the second nature. We use him when we are talking about in third person. And we use his when we are talking about something that belongs to him. Okay? तो हम इन तीनों वर्ड का डिफरेंस जानते हैं. He होता है जब भी हम किसी बंदे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं सेकंड पर्सन बेसिस पे. him हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी एक बंदे से उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. I met him in the mall yesterday. So here I am talking about him to another person. जैसे कि मैं पहला पर्सन हो गई, जिससे मैं बात कर रही हूँ वो सेकंड पर्सन हो गया, and जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है that person becomes the third person. So hence him is used when we are talking about a third person. And last is his. His हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम उसकी किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. For example, that is his watch. मैंने उसको पॉइंट करके बोला कि वो उसकी वॉच है. देखें, हम इसके और एग्जांपल्स देखें तो she, her and hers. तो she is the second person, her is the third person, and hers is the thing that belongs to her. एक और एग्जांपल, us, our, ours. One last example, that, their, theirs. Now we will see some examples of sentences that use pronouns. You have to identify the pronouns in these sentences. So the first is, I know Ramesh, Ramesh knows me. What do you think is the pronoun in this sentence? I and me. Both of these are pronouns. They know Vaishali, Vaishali knows them. So here, they and them, both of these are pronouns. Your car is faster than mine. So here, your and mine, both of these are pronouns. Final sentence, this is my pen, where is yours? So here, yours is the pronoun. I will suggest you to do some exercises on pronouns just to make the concept clear. Now we'll do a quick revision. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used to replace naming words. Pronouns can be divided into singular and plural as well. We learned the difference between this and that. We learned various forms of pronouns. For example, he, him and his, she, her and hers. We also saw the usage of pronouns in different sentences. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below and I will get back to them as soon as possible. So that was all for today. Please support us by following us on various social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I will see you